everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on House of Zwide from the 5th to the 9th of September 2022 on Monday. The Zwides brace themselves for the report from the psychologist, while Molefe and Dorothy decide to take their relationship to the next level on Tuesday. Mavuso has a radical proposition for Funani, while Soga has a suggestion to fix Sandile's unemployment woes on Wednesday. Under pressure, Funani is given one final chance to change his position. Sandile believes he's messed up a job interview but gets surprising news on Thursday. The DTI deal is in jeopardy and Funani decides to finally pay Faith a visit. Meanwhile, Sandile faces his first challenge at his new job on Friday. Funani discovers Ria has been keeping a secret from him, while Sandile is forced to confess the truth about his job to Zanele. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.